This is the ASSA 600. This one has barrel drivers. Usually bitting doesn't really matter unless you've got a nasty keyway combined with it, and this thing is a pain in the butt. I had to get a thin pick and put a curve in it to get that. Number 6 is a max lift and 2 is a no lift. I mean, it actually just got to get it past the last bit of milling. So, I mean, you have to tap it, but this is the curving this pick is the only way to pick from the bottom. But it's a 15 thousandths pick and it's scraping on the side, so it just pretty much kills all the feedback. This is pretty much just going to be a brutal pick. This pig just barely sets number 6 too. put heavy tension on those barrels and jiggle that pick and then slowly release tension, you can feel the feedback changing. So I don't know, I kind of like barrels. They get a lot of hate, but I don't mind them. But there is that keyway. So normally the keyway is not really that much of an issue, or the bitting, but the two combined can create a problem. It kind of just goes through there like that, but it's scraping on every bit of warding that there is in there. So it just kind of really hurts the feedback. So with these closed shackle or shrouded Rucos, you got to push that detent down to get that out, and the spring. And then it's just a number 2 Phillips screw. So you see that pin 2 is almost at the milling. It's just, or it's in the milling. It's almost set. It needs a little tap. But if you pick, well, knock these out of here if I'm not careful. Or to even get this pick up on the warding. You see, even setting 5, even just having that pick in there like that already oversets number 2. And it's too thick to pick from the bottom. Won't make that bend, so that's why I had to do this with this thin pick. Put that offset in it so it can set 5 and 6 without touching the other ones. Just kind of a pain. Locks were the main challenge is the keyway, or keyway combined with the bitting are kind of annoying, in my opinion. There's only one. There's only one section of milling in there. It's not, doesn't look threaded like normal barrel milling. I don't know if all these Ruco Padlocks are like that. So just one little groove in there. So, yep, other than the milling, just standard ASSA 600. All right, there we go.